Hey you guys, welcome to Living It Country. Today we're gonna go inside this really darling home decor shop. It's called Jungle Jane's Greenhouse, and we're gonna go check out their antique farmhouse styled home decor, and we're gonna tour their little shop together. So without further ado, let's go ahead and go on inside and get started.
Just wait.
Come on inside.
Better days to come and carry us like wind in our sails. Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season.
Hey friends, we are going to be starting today's video off with a little bit of shopping before we tour this beautiful antique farmhouse styled home decor shop. I love coming here for styling ideas, but I also love coming here because they have beautiful found objects. They have beautiful new decor, old decor, and it is just right up my alley for home decor shopping. So if you guys are excited for today's video, make sure you guys hit that like button and subscribe button, and let's go ahead and tour this home decor shop together. I have my go-to items that I always love checking out in this shop. It's always their corbels. I love them so much. They have a lot of neat ones, as well as their dough bowls, and they have some really pretty unique signs. This is where I got my son's exit sign, which you guys have seen in multiple videos, that lights up, and it's so darling. If you have a little one that has a vintage truck room or vintage train room, it's just really, really adorable. Now, if you guys want to see more home decor shop with me videos at places like this, let me know in the comment section down below, because I really, really love doing these. And we are going to be going to the Great Junk Hunt here in about a month. So let me know if you guys would like me to film a shop with me there too. They have vintage finds, antique finds, and of course junk, because it is the Great Junk Hunt. Now, one thing I really appreciate and love about this home decor shop is the found objects, the antique objects, because whether you have that farmhouse style, primitive style, anything like that, you can use those items if you have a boho style or even a modern farmhouse style, which I absolutely love. Just because you don't have a farmhouse home doesn't mean you can't shop here. And I think that's super, super neat. I have been so addicted to watching interior designers lately on YouTube, and there's just so many great ones right now. And I've learned that you need to shop at these small shops to find those and make your home beautiful, make it unique. And I just absolutely love that about this shop. I would love to know in the comment section down below how you guys get inspired for your homes and how you decorate your homes. I like to get inspired by going to small shops like these, going to events like Pinology and the Great Junk Hunt, where I get to see the items in real life and see how they've styled it and get inspired that way. And then my other go-to place is Instagram. I love checking out that search bar and typing in farmhouse style, modern farmhouse, rustic farmhouse, and discovering new Instagram profiles to where I can get ideas from them and then bring my own style into my home. But I would love to know in the comment section down below how you guys get inspired. Is it Netflix, watching Studio McGee? Is it going on Pinterest? I am so curious, and I would love to find another way for myself to get inspired and hopefully for you all to get inspired too. Now we're going to the exterior of this home decor shop, and I spotted not only that chicken for sale sign that's adorable, but these galvanized brick sheets. These would make an awesome DIY project. And I am also super obsessed, I have been for a while, this Eat Here sign. I think it is so neat and would be adorable at a tiny restaurant, small restaurant, or even a home. I think it's so unique and cool. And this store is known for their outdoor yard art as well as their sheds and their gardening kits. And so they have a lot to offer outside. But as you guys know, I am really obsessed with home decor. So that is like my main jam. But I thought you guys might want to see some of their outdoor yard art and maybe get inspired or get some ideas from here. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure you guys hit that like button and subscribe button, and I will see you guys later on Living It Country. Bye.